Good morning everyone, this is Albert, your real estate salesperson, and for today's video, I am here in one of my new offerings, a project by Megabuild located in Santo Tomas City, Batangas, the Aquinas Residences. Aquinas Residences is located in Barangay San Bartolome, Santo Tomas City, Batangas. And before I present to you this offering, I would like you to drive with me going here to our project for you to have an idea kung gaano nga ba siya kalapit sa Metro Manila. Guys, to make this video shorter, kinat ko na lang po siya. Pero pumasok po ako ng sukat entry ng 11:49 and then nakapag-exit po ako ng Santo Tomas by 12:22 and that's only 33 minutes lang po. Pero if ever naman na wala ka pong sariling vehicle, marami naman po mga bus terminals within Metro Manila. Nandiyan po yung Cubao, Buendia, and PTEX, which I believe aabutin lang po kayo ng 1 hour. Papababa lang po kayo ng SM Santo Tomas. And then upon exit po, kakanan lang po tayo. Marami naman po dito mga nearby schools, so sa mga parents, hindi po kayo mangangamba. For college, nandiyan po ang Polytechnic University of the Philippines or PUP Santo Tomas, ang First College, and St. Thomas Academy. Guys, nasa kaliwa ko po pala ang SLEX pabalik ng Metro Manila. So dyan tayo mamaya dadaan. Tinatahak lang po natin itong Maharlika Highway and makakarating na po tayo dito sa may logo ng Santo Tomas. Kakaliwa po tayo dyan. And hindi po kalayuan, madadaanan po natin yung pamilyang lungsod ng Santo Tomas and ng Lianas Supermarket. Sa tapat po ng Lianas, may roundabout po dyan. Kakaliwa po ulit tayo. Madadaanan po natin yung Isuzu sa kanan and ang SNR membership shopping. And nasa kaliwa ko naman po yung SM City Santo Tomas. Kaya guys, marami kayong option pagdating sa inyong mga pamimili. Pagkalagpas lang po ng SM City Santo Tomas, nasa kaliwa po natin yung Barangay San Bartolome. Kakaliwa lang po tayo dyan, kaya very accessible po siya kahit wala po kayong sariling vehicle. May tricycle po na sasakyan, within 5 minutes nasa Aquinas po kayo. By the way guys, papakita lang po natin itong bagong tinatayong hospital na Santo Tomas Doctors Hospital. Guys, napakalaking factor po niya no when you are getting a property kung gaano siya kalapit sa hospital. Isang diretso lang po itong San Bartolome Road po na ito and then mararating na po natin yung Aquinas Residences within 5 minutes. Nasa tapat po pala natin yung Mount Makiling. Ako mismo nagustuhan ko yung view. Imagine mo pa kung dito ka nakatira and ganyan yung araw-araw mo makikita. So yun guys, nakita ninyo kung gaano nga ba siya kalapit sa Metro Manila. Imagine in just 1 hour from sukat exit, narating na natin itong Aquinas Residences. Parang nagbiyahe ka lang papunta sa work mo from Metro Manila, inside Metro Manila, di ba? Minsan mas mahaba pa nga due to traffic. I'll start the tour. With Aquinas Residences, we are offering a 2-story townhouse. As you can see, townhouse po yan pero magkakaiba yung design per unit, which ayun yung kinagandahan. So, ang ating unit is made from precast. But before mo i-skip yung precast na sinabi ko, no, ako din, usual na Pilipino, no, mas gusto ko talaga yung traditional na hollow blocks. Pero upon reviewing and upon research, pagkadating po sa precast na ginagamit ni Megabuild na 5,000 PSI, mas matibay po talaga ito compare sa normal na hollow blocks. And ayun yung isa sa mga tiniconsider ko kung bakit nag-decide ako na mag-offer sa inyo. So guys, let's start our tour with this inner unit at my back. Disclaimer lang po, what you will see inside is ayun po yung i-deliver upon the turnover of your unit. For this inner unit, it has a floor area of 51 square meters and a lot area of 44 square meters. For the end unit naman po, lot area varies depending on the lot size, pero po naglalaro po siya from 60 to 75 square meters ang lot. And for the floor, it's 58 square meters. Going back sa inner unit, ito pong part na to ng parking is 20 square meters po. So meaning to say, enough na po siya, no, for you to park your SUV. Tingin ko, kasya din po dito ang van. Yung i-deliver po sa atin is cemented na po. So kung ano nakikita ninyo, ganyan po siya i-deliver. Ito po is lupa lang po siya, no? So it's up to you kung maglalagay po kayo ng mga halaman. Sa lahat po na nakita ko na precast na project, no, with my experience, ito po yung pinaka magandang quality ng precast na nakita ko. And hindi ko alam kung mabibigyan siya ng justice sa video, pero when you see it in person, maganda po yung quality. So, meron po tayo ditong saksakan para po kung maglilinis kayo ng inyong sasakyan. And the glass here is tempered glass and yung kanyang framing is aluminum. This main door is a steel door and merong lever lock set po. So here is the deliverable once na ma-turnover po ang bahay. This is an open layout. The tiles used in your ground floor is a porcelain matte tiles. 60 by 60 po ang size. Then this will serve as your living area. This will serve as your dining area. And this will serve as your TV rack po kung dito ninyo ilalagay yung television. And as you can see, painted na ng white yung buong interior natin. Pagdating naman po sa kitchen and sink, the tiles used here po is a porcelain gloss na tiles. And we have underneath cabinets na laminated wood po. The faucet po is made from stainless steel. And you have here the provision for window type aircon. And yung ginamit din po na window dito, papunta sa ating service area is tempered glass din po na aluminum frame. And on my left is a PVC door going to your service area. I want you guys to see how generous Mega built in giving extra lavatory para po sa inyong service area. Siyempre yung iba hindi na napapansin, no? Pero when you have this lavatory sa inyong service area, mas madali po maglaba ng mga basahan, maglaba ng mga sapatos, and you have your space here for your washing machine. Yan, you have faucet here, may saksakan na rin po. And kung makikita po ninyo, meron pong patungan yung inyong window type na aircon and you have a canopy na makakatulong po no, para hindi mabasa yung inyong aircon kapag umuulan, pati po yung inyong washing machine, mas tumatagal po sila. So, ayun, napaganda lang po no, ng deliverable ng ating service area. By the way, the flooring po ng ating service area is cemented. And this one on my right is a PVC door going to your toilet and bath. So in our toilet and bath, this one is the deliverable. Kung napapansin po ninyo, the tiles used in our toilet and bath is same with our ground floor. And before we go to the second floor, no, remind ko lang po ulit, this is a 2-bedroom na unit and you have 2 toilet and bath, no? Parang nakalimutan ko po ata bagitin. But anyways, ang nagustuhan ko po sa unit na ito, marami pong saksakan. Nasa gilid ko may 2 saksakan. Sa gilid po dito ng hagdan may saksakan and pati rin po dito. So, hindi ka mangangamba kung saan may pupwesto yung inyong mga appliances. And before tayo pumunta sa second floor, pakita ko lang po yung panel switch. So, ayan po yung main panel na i-deliver once na i-turn over siya sa inyo. So, modern na rin. And let's go to the second floor. Ang ginamit po na stairs is a precast cement. So, ibig sabihin, same po siya ng materials ng ating mga walls and ng ating ceiling and roofing. Yung ginamit po na hand railings is a steel. Kung makikita nyo po, matibay po siya. Not the ordinary ones na nakikita po natin sa ibang mga projects din. With our steps po, ang ginamit po dito is solid din po na mahogany wood. So, durable po siya. Let's go to the second floor. Pagkakit nyo po ng hagdanan, maluwag po yung space dito. No? So, at least kung gusto nyo maglagay ng cabinet, pwede po. Dito naman, sa gilid ko, is the second toilet and bath. The deliverable of the toilet and bath is same lang po sa mga fixtures sa first floor na toilet and bath. And beside of the toilet and bath, meron din po tayong windows. Maluwag yung hallway. On my right is the first bedroom. But before that, pakita ko lang po, ang gamit po na pintuan sa ating first bedroom and sa master's bedroom is a mahogany po. The flooring po for our second floor is a planks. Yan po. Tapos po, painted na rin po yung walls. You have the provision for aircon and you have additional window. So kahit sa first bedroom mo, may natural light ka pa rin napapasok sa kwarto mo. And let's go to our second bedroom. The materials used po sa ating pintuan is same din po, no? Mahogany wood po yan. And you have a talagang wide space, no? Sa inyong bedroom. Kasya po dito ang queen size na bed. Again, meron kayong mga bintana which are all tempered glass. Same din po dito. And you have your provision for your window type na aircon. So, ayun po. Ngayon, ipakita ko na sa inyo yung inner unit natin. Papakita ko naman po kung paano natin siya i-dress up. Just to give you an inspiration po, no? Ito is yung fence na hindi po ito kasama, no? Pero binibigyan po tayo ng idea. And let's go inside to your future home. Naglagay dito ng sofa set. Sa likod ng sofa set, na-maximize yung space dahil meron po doong cabinets na nilagay. Dito po sa likuran ko, nandito naman po yung dining table, good for 4 to 5 seater. Then, nandito naman po yung television. And naglagay po ng mga overhead na cabinets. Then, ito naman po yung inyong service area. Yan. So, naglagay lang po ng glass. Ayun lang po naman yung nabago. Ibang mga wallpapers. So, let's go to the second floor. And guys, so nakikita ninyo, no, maluwag talaga yung area na to. Actually, pwede ka dito maglagay talaga ng cabinet. Pwede mo nga to actually maging working space din. And ayun, naglagay lang ng mga ibang paintings. And on your second toilet and bath. Yan po. And then, let's go to the first bedroom. So, ito po yung ating first bedroom. Sa ating bedroom, naglagay lang po ng single na bed. Pero if you have many kids naman, pwede naman po kayo maglagay ng double deck. And with our master's bedroom. Na-maximize po talaga yung master's bedroom. No? Nakita natin kung gaano kaluwag. You have your cabinets here. Naglagay lang po dito ng mga ilang kortina, no, sa ating window. And this is space, no, nandito yung workstation. And may mga underneath cabinets po. And andyan po yung television. So, nabigyan kayo ng idea. So, sa mga nag-work from home dyan, baka ito na yung inyong future house. So, yun guys, napakita ko na sa inyo yung ating deliverable na inner unit and ang dress up ng ating inner unit. Ngayon naman guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung combined na mid-unit. So, ito po siya. Dalawang unit po siya na pinagsama. If your family is big and gusto ninyo magkaroon ng maraming kwarto, ang total po na floor area nito is 102 and ang lot area po will be 88 since pinag-add po natin yung dalawa. So, let's go. Napakaganda po ng ating dress-up unit dito. Magkakaroon po dito ng malaking daanan. So, ito yung kaninang isang bahay. Tapos ito yung kaninang isang bahay po. No? So, sa baba, may living area. Dito naman po, nandito yung first na bedroom. And you have your toilet and bath. Sa side na to, nandito naman po ang ating kitchen. Naglagay po dito ng 6-seater na dining table. And yung kitchen nyo po is nandito. You have your toilet and bath din po dito for your visitors. And this one po, ito po yung magiging service area ninyo. And let's go to the second floor para makita po natin kung gaano kadaming bedrooms po ang meron. For our second floor, wow, napakalaki po. So, meron tayo dito another na living area, no? And this will be your working space or study table ng inyong mga anak. And sa part po na to, nandiyan naman po yung inyong third toilet and bath. And then, this will be your master's bedroom. I think this is the master's bedroom. Siya po yung pinakamalaking room. And may sarili rin po siyang toilet and bath. So, ito naman po yung second bedroom. Sa second bedroom, naglagay po ng double bed. And, ayun, meron pa rin tayong study table dyan, no, para sa inyong mga anak. And for this one, this is the third bedroom dito sa second floor. So, grabe, na-maximize po. And wala akong masabi sa pagkaka-interior design. So yun guys, naipakita ko na po sa inyo yung ating combined na mid-unit. Isa to sa mga pinakamagandang na feature ko na model units. Let's go to our third na unit na ipapakita ko, which is the end unit. Let's go. And here is our end unit. Guys, wala lang tayong deliverable video, no, for our end unit, but still the same materials used with our inner unit. Ngayon naman na ipapakita ko is the model unit ng ating end unit. By the way guys, before tayo pumasok, bigyan ko lang ng highlight tong part na to. Ito po yung magiging inyong extra na lot kung sakaling end unit ang inyong kukunin. So, it can fit 2 cars. Ito po yung ating service area. By the way guys, no, pakita ko lang pala to. Kung end unit po ang inyong kukunin, meron po kayong sliding door na tempered glass din po and aluminum po ang kanyang framing. So, let's go inside. This is what your end unit will look like once na mabihisan mo siya. Let's go to the second floor para makita ninyo, no? For our end unit, meron po itong total na 2 toilet and bath and 3 bedrooms. So pag akyat mo dito ng second floor, napaka-generous talaga. Pwede mo to gawing na office space, but dito naglagay lang ng halaman. Beside me is the second toilet and bath. Ayan. So matte na porcelain tiles pa rin po yung ginamit. And here is your first bedroom. Sa first bedroom, ang naging design po is naglagay lang ng double decks and table ng inyong mga anak na nag-aaral and cabinets. And your second bedroom is here. For our second bedroom, naglagay lang po ng single na bed and a single table and chair para po sa inyong anak na mag-aaral, and may window na rin po nakasama ulit. And here is your master's bedroom. Pasukin po natin. Dito naman po nakapwesto ang inyong cabinets and ang inyong tables. And that's it guys, naipakita ko na sa inyo yung ating offering dito sa Aquinas Residences. And it comes with complete amenities. Meron tayong basketball court, may swimming pool, may kids playground, may pavilion, and magkakaroon soon ng man-made na lagoon. So, malapit na tayo sa Mount Makiling, kaya may provincial vibes pa rin. And ayun, malapit tayo sa lahat. May schools, may hospitals, may malls, may public markets na malapit. So, hindi kayong mag-worry sa lahat ng pangangailangan ninyo. And very accessible po, kahit wala po kayong sariling vehicle. So, again, if you'd like my video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page para updated kayo sa mga future offerings natin. Again, this is Albert, your buddy in searching for a property. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video.